If you come into my shop, tell me you want a new master cylinder on your 49 Ford Mercury, you're going to see some sour pusses, and I will tell you why. The first thing you got to do is jack the car up, take the wheel off of it, and remove that mud guard, revealing the clutch pedal, because the clutch pedal shaft goes right through the master cylinder. Okay, clutch pedal removed, not a problem. Now you got to remove the banjo bolt that goes into the back of the master cylinder. Then you've got to remove the Overdrive Servo, because the clutch shaft goes right, hits when you push it through the master cylinder, it hits the overdrive. So that their bolts have to be removed from that. Then you got to remove these two bolts here that hold the master cylinder on, one there and one there. That's fine, except that one's rested in, the head of it broke off. It wouldn't come loose even after using penetrating fluid on it and Rust-Oleum on it. It still wouldn't come off. Okay, now if this model has dual exhaust, you have to remove the exhaust from the left side of the motor right there. This one is single exhaust, so we didn't have to remove the exhaust header. We only had to remove the Overdrive Servo. Now the clutch shaft right here, you drive it through with a hammer screwdriver. Now it hits the transmission right there. Okay, now what do? Remove the transmission. Okay, so I don't think we're going to have to do that, but Ford, this is one of their better ideas. Lastly but not leastly, we're trying to jimmy the master cylinder off of the broken stud. It don't want to come. I don't know what's holding it on there. Just keep pounding away on it. I had to take a pair of tin snips and cut a great big hole there in the floorboard to get a screwdriver in there to pry it off of there. Now, not to worry, new floor panels are on eBay for $135. Hey, the buzz is out of here.